Hi everyone, konnichiwa minasan. So today for University Theme Week, we are making these healthy smoothie jelly beans. So the base of these jelly beans are smoothies, and when I was in university, I lived off drinks like this. So I thought that it would be really cool to turn these into kind of like an edible food kind of snack. They're more gummy-like than jelly bean-like. And if you're looking for something more healthy than just regular candy and something to nibble on like when you're studying for exams or something like that, these are so awesome. So let's get started. Oh, and before we get started, I'll just show you that I am wearing my UBC hoodie. I went to UBC, which is University of British Columbia in Vancouver, so that was my university, and I'm being all, what's the word? And I'm feeling all nostalgic this week, so I'm wearing my hoodie. So what you want to do is measure 1 cup of a smoothie of your choice and place half a cup of the smoothie and 3 tablespoons of gelatin in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave that for 30 seconds and then mix well. Then add some sugar or some honey to the remaining smoothie and combine. As we're adding some sugar, which will just enhance the flavor, it won't necessarily make them sweeter, but it'll just make the flavor more pronounced. Then you want to add this to the heated smoothie and mix well. Then pour the mixture into a jelly bean mold and place it in the fridge until they're completely set for about 1 hour. And I'll have the link to the jelly bean mold in the description box if you'd like to buy one. And you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you liked the video. Tomorrow is a really cool, kind of more back to school themed recipe that is turning a really traditional, I guess, lunch into an adorable dessert. So make sure to check back and hit that bunny shaped subscribe button so that you don't miss out on tomorrow's video, because you know that you shouldn't miss out. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!